Hi, welcome back to the Upper Sandusky Community Library's Facebook page and another episode of Art History Lessons with Lisa. Today we're doing Activity 2. Now, if you haven't been to the library and picked up your art kit yet, please do so. You can check out the supplies and the kit, and then for the next 8 weeks, we will be doing lessons on Pablo Picasso. As I said, today is Activity 2. Now, if you haven't watched the other two, pick up your kit at the library and then find Introduction and the Activity 1 here on the Facebook page under Videos. Please make sure that you read the selection and watch the videos before you start any of the activities so that you know why you're doing what you're doing. Here are the directions for Activity 2. Pablo Picasso had many different styles or periods of art. He and George Barquet also invented cubism, where they broke up the picture into geometric shapes. In today's activity, you will fill in the boxes below with a color scheme of your choosing, and then use a ruler to break up the picture below. So in your art supply kit, get out your ruler and your black Sharpie marker. So these are going to be just random lines that you're going to draw all over your picture, dividing it up into several sections. Then pick out 6 colors that you want to use for your picture. Since we did the rose period last time, decided that I would do the blue period this time and use blues and greens. But you can use whatever you want. And I decided to use colored pencils. But if you want to use something different, that's fine. If you want to use crayons, fine. There's a lot of thin little spaces in this picture, so I think maybe the pencils would work a little bit better. So just go ahead and color in wherever you want with your different colors. I tend to use one color and color several spaces in and then move to another color, and then that way it kind of evens out what colors I'm using. So here we go. We're finishing up. And remember, when you get done, post it on Instagram, USCL Picasso, so that I can find them, and we will post some on Facebook. And when you get done with things, you can also bring them into the library and we will display them there. Remember to come to the library if you haven't got your kit yet, and you can start this from the beginning with the intro and Activity 1 and 2. We post every Friday at 4 o'clock. And if you like these videos, you can pop on over to my YouTube channel, Property of Lisa, for more fun videos. Please subscribe when you're there too. Thanks, I'd appreciate it. See you next time.